PJ's coin capers, so something very different today. And I wanted to show you guys these because I thought they were pretty cool. My son collects Coke memorabilia, Coke bottles, all that sort of stuff. And we were recently in Disneyland, and they've got these Coke bottles, Diet Coke, Coke, and Sprite in the Galaxy's Edge, so the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge area. So I just wanted to show you the bottles, and these it says Diet Coke, but it's written in the Star Wars most common language that they use, and the bottles are basically made to look like thermal detonators. So I thought I would show some of what's going on with the designs on here, and you can see they've got the weathered sort of look there, and certainly the cap makes it look like some sort of grenade. They've got like a dimple in the bottom there so that they sit up, they don't roll away, but you can just see the distress sort of almost like a steel sort of aluminium sort of look going on the bottles, and they're 399 mils or 13.5 fluid ounces. So this is the Coke bottle. Paid $6 US, so not cheap. But as a collector's item, I think we brought back about 20 of these bottles because my son does collect them, and yeah, well worth having a look at. This is the Diet Coke version, and they've got like a normal screw cap underneath this cap. This sort of the detonator cap over the top of the regular screw cap, but yeah, you just see the colouring that's going on there, almost like a rusted sort of look. Still a plastic bottle, but yeah, pretty cool, and certainly collectible. I think they're only really available from Disneyland or Disney World in the Galaxy's Edge area. So yeah, we brought these guys back with us on board the plane, and the funny thing was, while we were actually in the US, the TSA, so like the I suppose it's the division, I suppose, in control of what you're allowed to bring, like a border patrol and customs and transport security association, I think it's called. They actually banned these from being able to be put into checked baggage because they look like a grenade. That happened in late August, but by I think a few days later, early September, they'd reversed that decision and allowed these bottles to then be taken on board, so which was great. So we were a little bit concerned about it, but yeah, look, something different, something interesting. I know a lot of us collect more than just coins, and like to collect different sort of things. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this sort of look at something very different, and certainly I'm sure some of you are more than aware of Coke collecting, but yeah, obviously normally we focus on coins and banknotes, but yeah, we all have different variety of things that we like to look at and collect, and this is just something I was interested in showing you guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you very soon.